Amanda reporting.
Shauna here.
RJ, standing by.
Matt, present.
Marty, front and center.
Hurlon recognizes Amanda, Shauna, RJ, Matt, and Marty, and Hurlon is pleased. But Hurlon suspects there is great danger.
Danger? What kind?
A message has been intercepted. It speaks of the theft of a great tool.
A tool? What kind?
Hurlon does not know, but it must be very powerful to attract the attention of the others.
Well, if the others want to destroy it, that means we better get to work and save it.
But we have no idea what it is.
That is true, Shauna. But Hurlon does know when it is.
When it is?
The message intercepted was being sent to an agent in the 9th century.
Hold on. Before you send us off on a mission, I'd like to ask you something.
Hurlon is listening.
How are we and the others able to travel through time to reach the past?
To reach the past, you do not travel through time, Amanda. You leap over it.
Leap over time? What's that supposed to mean?
It is impossible for the human mind to fully comprehend. But Hurlon will attempt to explain. Think of time as a flowing river. Imagine yourself on a raft, carried along by the current, moving forward, constantly towards the future.
That makes sense.
Good. Now, under very special circumstances, a person can leap above the river of time and become free of the rushing current, free to move independently in either direction, leaping back into the past or forward into the future.
How is that done?
Depending upon how far back or forward you need to go. I have formulas that determine the exact height you must leap and the number of nanoseconds you must remain above the river of time. With this information, I can program your journey.
Incredible.
Leave me alone. It is not for sale. I have told you.
But money is no object. Name your price.
And should I sell? What would you do with it?
I would keep it safe and secure, locked away from all eyes.
As I suspected. That is not why I have worked so long and hard. This tool is meant as a gift to all, not a treasure to be hidden away by those too greedy to share.
Did you hear that? He mentioned a tool. Do you think...
Shh! Is that your final word? You will not sell?
It is.
Then you'll leave me no choice. What I cannot buy, I will take.
Stop!
What's this? How did you find me? I must report this.
Thank you, kind strangers. Your arrival was just in time. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Abu Khafar Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, but you can call me Al.
Well, hello, Al.
And who might you be?
I'm RJ.
I'm Shauna.
I'm Matt.
Amanda. Marty. Excuse me, but did we overhear you mention some kind of tool?
I did. And what is your interest?
To see that your wish is respected. To make sure that your tool is shared with all.
You speak well, but how do I know I can trust you?
We could get a note from our teacher.
RJ!
You joke. That is a good sign. Then you must not be one of the others, for they have no sense of humor.
See? Al's a pal.
A pal? Perhaps, but you must still prove yourselves worthy. Are you prepared to do so?
We are.
Then follow me. This is a bridge to knowledge. As you can see, it is a rectangle. Its length is 3 times its width. Now, as knowledge may increase for those who seek, let this bridge of knowledge increase its length by 3 meters. But for those who do not pay attention, let this bridge decrease its width by 2 meters. The area of our new bridge is now 54 square meters.
Hey, get me out of here!
Not just yet, my pal. Before I allow you out and arrange passage across, the Bridge of Knowledge must be returned to its original dimensions.
So, change it back, please!
Unfortunately, that cannot happen until its original area has been calculated.
That's an excellent challenge. This should be fun.
Speak for yourself. It's cold in here. Please, figure it out.
Let's focus on what we know.
Okay, in the original rectangle, the length equaled 3 times the width. If we increase that length by 3 meters, we get the new length. If we decrease the width by 2 meters, we can express that as...
We know the area of the new rectangle is 54 meters, so we can write an equation.
When we do the multiplication, we get, which we can then simplify.
And divide by 3, which gives us...
Now we factor to get... which means that either the expression w minus 5 equals 0, or the expression w plus 4 equals 0, or both expressions equal 0.
So the width is either 5 meters or negative 4 meters.
If we were working just with numbers, either of those values would be fine. But since we're working with the measurement of an actual rectangle, we can't use negative 4. So the width must be 5 meters.
Okay, substitute 5 meters into the original equation and get me out of here!
No problem. The equation for the measurement of the original bridge was length equals 3 times the width. Replace the w with the actual figures, and that makes the original bridge 15 meters in length and 5 meters in width.
Which gives us an area of 75 square meters.
Did you catch anything?
Yeah, a cold. No hard feelings.